Happy New Year, everyone! Hey guys, so I'm just at Hyatt right now, and that's how we celebrate our New Year's. I'm staying at the Park Hyatt Hotel, and look how beautiful the room is. And I got a gift as well from them. Check out the beautiful gift that I got. Wow, that's so cute. I love macaroons. They're the festive ones. Wow. Look at these beautiful decorations. I got this dress from Zara. I just ordered some room service. I ordered some pancakes. For the party, it's all gold and the straps are shiny. Happy New Year, everyone! What do you guys think of my dress? Oh my god, check out this. It's so beautiful here, guys. It snowed for the first time. It snowed for New Year's, guys. Look how beautiful it looks. This looks so incredible. I found the perfect place to relax after the New Year's party. And here's the best part. I made the best hot chocolate. They have all the best toppings: whipped cream, marshmallows, and chocolate.